Hi everybody, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. My name is Tapus Kumar Basu. On behalf of my channel, The Technical Analysis of Financial Product. Today, once again, I have come. Today, I have decided to explain you a kind of a strategy which is known as a long call butterfly strategy. This is a strategy. This strategy you can apply in any form of the market. Suppose you are in the regular trader in the market, or you are a positional trader or intraday trader, whatever trading you are doing in the market, but right now you are not able to predict whether the market would be bullish or whether the market would be bearish. So if you see particularly in a certain situation, it is really uphill task for you to come to a conclusion whether the market would be bullish view, whether the market would be the bullish or whether the market would be bearish. On that case, finding the alternative, what you can do it, you can use this strategy. This is called a long butterfly strategy, right? Long call butterfly strategy. This you can it can be utilized while trading with index, while trading in any option, right? But before I go to the long call butterfly strategy, let me open the first Nifty chart. What the Nifty chart says, right? So this is a daily candlestick chart of Nifty, right? You see, this is a daily candlestick chart of Nifty. This is the last candle. This candle is technically known as a doji star candle. This is a star and doji. Why it is to be called doji? You see, the open and close, the value of between open and close is a very minimum. You know, it was open on 16,415.55. It was closed at 16,411.25. The gap of this open and close difference is a very minor. That is why it is a doji, and the formation is like in star. That's why it is called a doji star formation. If there is a doji star formation appears in the downtrend, you see this is called clear downtrend, which generally indicates the bullish reversal depending on the next candle. If you see if you see the very next day there is a bullish candle appears over here, then we can say if there is this can be the bullish reversal pattern. But we cannot come to a conclusion on that case. We do not know whether tomorrow, whether the Monday the market will be the gap up, or there will be a bullish candle. There is a chances of forming a bullish candle, but we are not able to come to a conclusion on that matter. So as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, we can only predict that there is a possibility to be retraced to the upside, but depending on the next candle, right? As it is a bullish doji star candle, right? This is a column reversal, bullish reversal pattern, but we cannot come to a conclusion. This is one of the technical parameters I told you. Now next, you see already I have over here plotted that is called Elliott waves, right? These are first impulsive wave has already been created. If it retreats to the upside, then we can expect a second corrective wave is supposed to start, but we cannot come to a conclusion. But whether it will start or not, but we can come to a conclusion after the Monday's market, right? So now, in this scenario, it is very difficult for us to come to a particular conclusion whether market will go upside or downside. So we cannot come to any conclusion. Now let me go to the another parameter that I already have plotted over here, relative strength index. So relative strength index is very bearish. What is 35.28? If the relative strength index would have gone above 50, then we can say this is a momentum is bullish, but momentum is bearish. Here is stochastic also very much in a kind of a situation. Stochastic is in a oversold area, so we cannot come to any conclusion. We cannot come to any decision whether it should go upside or downside. You know, there is no views particular having seen this candlestick and this technical parameter. In this scenario, what you can do it, we can apply the long call butterfly strategy. What you have to do is just for this long call butterfly strategy, what you do it, here we have to choose the three calls. One is the in the money calls, another is the out of the money calls, and at the money calls. What you have to do is just we have to sell 2 lots of the at the money calls, and simultaneously we have to buy one in the money call, and we have to also buy one out of the money call. Now how it is to be performed, let me explain. Now for that we have to go one very small tools. This is a free tool that I'm just going to that tools. 1 minute. There is one tool. So I'm just going. These are called Option Strategy Builder. These are very free tools from the. If you go to the Google, from there you can easily find this tool. What it will do? Just you have to click over here, get started. So once it gets started, you see that then this is a Nifty. So you have to select the click over here to come to the option portion. This is an option, right? Okay, so now Nifty spot price is 16,401 and future price is 16,419, right? The 419. So we can say the 16,400 would be the ATM price first, right? It's a very near price is 16,400. So first you have to, what you have to do it, you have to sell 2 lot of ATM price, ATM call, right? So you have to click the over here. Now 16,400 you have to write, right? If I put the 16,400, then yes, 16,400. This is 16,400. I clicked over here. You see what I have told you. You have to sell 2 lot of at the money call. Now you click the sell button and go to the add position. Now you see we have already sold this. So here is the profit, maximum profit is showing 32,495, right? But how much margin is? The margin is around 2,38,000 because we have made an option, right? Now margin can be diminished, then we have to hedge the particular position. This is the beauty of this strategy. What you have to do it now, you have to sell, you have to buy 1 lot out of the money. It means out of the money or 1 lot in the money. What would be the in the money or lot? You have to make that in the money or out of the money should be the equidistance from the ATM call. So suppose here ATM call is 16,400. In case of in the money 200 points, 200 in the money would be how much? The in the money would be 16,200. Okay, this will be in the money because ATM price is 16,400. You have to maintain the distance of 200 points, right? Below 200 points and above 200 points, and below 200 points would be in the money and above 200 points would be the out of the money. But at the money is 16,400. So 16,400 from 16,400 you have to deduct the 200 points. So it is coming 16,200. The 16,200 is the in the money call, right? So what you have to do it, just you have to sell 1 in the money call, right? This is the you have to buy 1 in the money call. So now you go to here. You have to change it. This is the 1. Now you have to buy 1 in the money call. Just the moment now go to the add section. Yes, now you see what is the margin. The margin has already been decreased. Now margin, you will be needing a margin of to be 1,22,580. Margin has already been decreased. Now next one, what you have to do it, we have already bought 1 in the money call. Now we have to bought another out of the money call. In between, your ATM price is 16,000. At the money call is 16,400. So out of the money would be, you have to maintain a 200 points. So out of the money would be the 16,600, right? So out of the money would be the 16,600. So you have to buy 16,600 also. These are 16,600, right? So now go to the add position. Yes. Now you see. Yes. Now we have made an option, right? Here the two lots of 16,400. I mean, we have sold 2 lots 16,400. That is at the rate of rupees 324, and we have bought 1 in the money call at the rate of 440, and all simultaneously we have bought another out of the money call 223.95. Now how much margin is to be required? The margin has been decreased. Only you would be needing a capital of 33,480, around 35,000 around. By investing 35,000, you can also hedge. Even you are not able to understand whether the market will go upside or downside. But so that is why you are applying particular this strategy. Having applied this strategy, there is a possibility of achieving profit of around 9,250. And what is the loss? Maximum loss will be 750 rupees. You see. Now risk and reward ratio is, your risk is 1% and reward is 12%. What a fantastic strategy, you see. Only you have to maintain the risk of 1%, whereas the reward would be the 12%. So by investing 33,480, you are supposed to have the profit of around 9,250, but you have to wait for the steel expiry. But my suggestion is to, if you get at least 50-60% profit, so on that case you can book the profit. So when you are not able to understand the momentum of the market, even having applied the technical analysis also, on that case what you can do it, you can apply this strategy either in index trading or any option trading by this is called a long call butterfly strategy. What you have to do, you have to sell the two at the money call, and simultaneously you have to buy one in the money call and one out of the money call, and distance should be between from ATM should be the 200. It means from ATM, from at the money call is that is 16,400, so that should be the gap between in the money call would be 16,200. I mean minus 200. I mean it should be equidistant, and simultaneously out of the money would be the 16,600. When you from 16,400 plus 200, that's 16,600. That should be the equidistance maintained, right? So what you have to do it now. How much you are getting? You are getting profit around 9,250. In the main, suppose in the money is 16,400. What is the out of the money? Just add 200 points. It means 16,600 out of money. So you have to select the 16,200, and here is the in the money is 16,400. What will be in the money? Just you have to deduct the 200 points over here. That is 16,200. The 16,200 will be in the money. So you can also maintain the 100 points also. On that case, you have to deduct the 100 points here. You have to add the 100 points here, right? So it's better to opt the 200 points, right? 200 points up and 200 points down. I mean up down. I mean you have to from the out of the at the money you have to deduct the 200 points, and from the out that would be the in the money, and from the at the money you have to deduct you have to add 200 points, that will be the out of the money, right? This is. So whereas you are getting 9,250. So you know that I just explained you. I just explained you a lot of technical parameters where you are not able to understand that whether the market should go upside or downside. You are not able to come to proper conclusion having having examined through some technical parameters, stochastic, RSI, and then candlestick. So finding out what you can do it, you can do particular these things that as you know, as you do not know whether the market will go upside or downside. So that is why you can apply particular this strategy, which is called long call butterfly strategy, right? This is more about as far as the long call butterfly strategy is concerned. So to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this channel is purely for educational purpose. If anybody would like to implement this strategy, my first request is to first do the back testing, do the paper trading first, and be confident. After that you can utilize this strategy. But obviously before utilizing this strategy, you should you need to consult with your own investment advisor. After that you can take your own decision, because this channel doesn't responsible any kinds of stock tips, stock trading, or any kinds of profit and loss, right? And apart from it also, if anybody would like to join my Telegram channel also, I have given in the description box, I have given the link of the Telegram channel. You can join in my Telegram channel. This is also for educational purpose, and also I request if anyone is interested to work with me, also can work with me. You can directly get in touch with me through my mobile number, or through WhatsApp. That number has already been given to the description box. And to be very honestly, I am telling once again, request you to please do subscribe this channel and share this channel to your near and dear ones, because whenever I will get more responses from you all guys, definitely it will encourage me to bring a lot more videos in near future. And I also expect some kinds of feedback from your part. If you have any queries, feel free. You can make your queries through the description through my description box, right? By saying this, I am going to sign up today's program. Thank you very much and have a great day.